The water cycle portrays the nonstop development of water on, above, and beneath the surface of the earth. The water constantly moves from reservoir to another by evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff. There is no actual start to the water cycle, so let's just start with evaporation. Evaporation is the movement of water from the ocean into the atmosphere. As the water sits in the ocean, it eventually evaporates into the clouds, then turns into a gas. When water evaporates, it takes up energy from its surroundings and cools the environment. Condensation is the reverse of evaporation. It is a change from gas to liquid. This is why water comes out of a cloud and not gas.
Precipitation is any form of water, whether it's a liquid or solid, falling from the clouds, which includes rain, snow, sleet, and hail. For precipitation to happen, it has to come from the evaporated water, which is really gas, that comes from the ocean. It turns into water droplets, and depending on the temperature that is surrounding the clouds, it will either come out as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Infiltration is the permeation of a liquid into something by filtration. In this case, it is when the water that has fallen from the sky gets soaked into the ground. It enters the soil and moves rocks through the cracks. Water can be absorbed by the soil and stay in there for a long time until it gets evaporated. The infiltrated water can also be absorbed by plants and its roots. Infiltration occurs in the upper layers of the ground, but may also continue deeper into the ground. Last but not least, runoff. Runoff is water from the precipitation that did not get infiltrated into the ground and flows over the land surface. When the ground is saturated, the water will go into lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. Runoffs cause erosions and carries chemical substances on the ground surface along the rivers where the water ends up, which causes water pollution. The water cycle has been running for billions of years, and all lifestyles on Earth depend on it to continue working. The Earth might be a pretty stale spot to live without it.